A Nigerian indigenous company, IPO, is currently putting Nigeria on the global map as it has developed Nigeria's first stealthy missile system called the EP-X10 for long and short-range combat mission. The company, IPO, has revealed details of the EP-X10 cruise stealthy missile and drone system at the recently concluded NISEC Expo 2024 in Abuja, the capital city of Nigeria. The missile, which is Christine EP-X10 cruise missile and drone system, is still in its developmental stage and when eventually completed, would be Nigeria's first and West Africa's wholly indigenous cruise missile. This new technology is expected to enhance the capacity of the Nigerian military and could provide effective lethal long-range destructive capabilities. The developing indigenous company, IPO, has been globally acknowledged due to its defense penetration technologies, which were put on display at the recently concluded NISEC Expo 2024 in Abuja, the capital city of Nigeria, which experts commended, highlighting the range and diversity in Nigeria's stealthy cruise missile development. The surface-to-air and air-to-air launch stealth cruise missile EP-X10 developed by IPO, one of Nigeria's biggest developer of indigenous defense weapons and equipment, made its debut at the recently concluded NISEC Expo 2024 in Abuja. IPO also showcased supersonic and hybrid drone systems for long combat missions. These types of stealthy cruise missile systems and drones, each showcasing one of two internationally recognized defense penetration technologies, highlights the breadth and diversity of Nigeria's cruise missile technology, according to experts at the event. Stealthy cruise missiles are characterized by their small size, long range, high precision and strong maneuverability, making them highly effective for precision missions including anti-ship operations and air-to-ground attacks. For instance, cruise missiles used in air-to-ground attack missions can be deployed in non-contact combat to carry out the essential door-kicking role. They can autonomously search, locate and strike key targets such as airfields, bridges, ports and missile sites within the combat zone with high efficiency, high speed and high precision, acting as vanguard on modern battlefields. In order to enhance the defense penetration capabilities of cruise missiles, there are currently two internationally recognized technological approaches. The first one relies on supersonic cruising capability to reduce the reaction time of enemy air defense systems to achieve an effective result where the defense cannot respond in time. The second approach features silence and invisibility or stealthy features, focusing on strong stealth capabilities to evade enemy air defense system surveillance networks and enable a surprise attack. IPO showcased one type of cruise missile at this year's event with other supersonic and hypersonic drones representing supersonic speed technology. Among them, the EP-X10 stealthy supersonic cruise missile, which has garnered considerable international attention. A spokesman for IPO noted that the majority of missiles on the international market are subsonic, while supersonic missiles offer higher speed and greater defense penetration, making them a key weapon for breaching missile defense systems. The EP-X10 missile, if mass-produced, can be deployed on ships or vehicles and are primarily used to strike medium to long surface vessels and high-value ground targets. It has standoff attack capability, strong stealth, high operational autonomy, and a short reaction time, making it highly effective for long-range, rapid, and precise strikes. The configuration of the EP-X10 stealthy cruise missile combines the advantage of long-range supersonic cruise missiles with high speed in the terminal phase. IPO's EP-X10 missile is capable of conducting long-range, stealthy strikes against medium to large ships and fleets, small vessels as well as fixed land targets. It also features long flight range, strong stealth, enhanced defense penetration capability, effective damage and ease of use. Debuted at the concluded NISEC Expo 2024 in Nigeria, the EP-X10 cruise stealthy missile features a stealth design and is a leading example of stealth cruise missile technology. The EP-X10 stands out as a multi-purpose stealth missile system developed to meet international market standards. It boasts an all-weather, round-the-clock operations, high stealth penetrations, strong anti-jamming capabilities, broad operational range, efficient damage, and ease of maintenance and support. The Nigerian government is not just sitting and watching these local companies thrive. In order to support their efforts, the Ministry of Defense announced new restrictions on the importation of certain calibers of arms and ammunition, aligning with the recently signed Defense Industries Corporation of Nigeria Act of 2023. The Act, endorsed by the current President of Nigeria in November 2023, aims to strengthen Nigeria's military-industrial complex by promoting local production. Government representatives have all emphasized that all government ministries, departments, and agencies must now seek clearance from the Ministry of Defense before procuring arms and ammunition. This measure is designed to ensure that items produced locally are prioritized over foreign imports. In addition to this, the ministry has barred the Bureau of Public Enterprise from issuing no objection certificate to MDAs for the procurement of arms and ammunition that can be sourced within Nigeria. The government also highlighted the importance of the new DICON Act, which fosters partnership between DICON and indigenous companies, thus ensuring that the Nigerian military and other security agencies procure from local manufacturers first. Representatives also note that the ministry is developing a system to enforce these requirements, which mandates that any procurement of arms and ammunition by MDAs must be cleared by the Ministry of Defense. The President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Nigeria has also directed the National Agency of Science and Engineering Infrastructure (NASENI) to collaborate with the Ministry of Defense on the local production of small ammunition, with plans to completely phase out the importations of 7.62mm caliber ammunition within the next few years. This idea is to enhance foreign exchange earnings, create jobs for skilled Nigerians, and reduce capital flight by boosting local production of defense equipment. According to the government, Nigeria is fast becoming a go-to destination for African nations seeking high-tech military hardware. This revelation was made by the current Minister of State for Defense during a news conference marking the 60th anniversary of the Defense Industries Corporation of Nigeria, DICON. According to the government, increased patronage from African nations could substantially boost foreign exchange earnings, create jobs for skilled Nigerians, and reduce capital flight. Nigeria currently is not only enhancing its national security but also contributing to the economic growth of the country. The federal government of Nigeria has also said it is taking steps to commence the production of military hardware in the Ajaokuta Steel Complex, as the Ministries of Steel Development and Defense plan to sign a memorandum of understanding for the implementation of the project. The collaboration, according to stakeholders, will bring to fruition the vision of the Renewed Hope agenda geared at reviving the Ajaokuta Steel Complex for steel production for several purposes, including military hardware. In another move, the Ministry of Defense in Nigeria has set its sights on a potential collaboration with Niani, a prominent U.S. military firm, to establish advanced weapons production lines at the Defense Industries Corporation of Nigeria. During a 2-day working visit to the company, the Defense Ministries explored various areas of partnerships aiming to enhance Nigeria's military capabilities in addressing security challenges. The primary objective of this collaboration is to create assembly lines dedicated to manufacturing cutting-edge military equipment, significantly contributing to Nigeria's fight against insecurity. The initiative also aims to introduce innovative technologies that can augment the efficiency of the Nigerian military in tackling contemporary security threats. These and many more are Nigeria's strides in developing its local defense industries. Do well to drop your honest comment, tell us what you think, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.